Okay, today I'm going to be making 2 other soaps using fragrances from the Bramble Berry's Coquette Collection. So I'm going to be using Blushing Bouquet for this batch here, and then Parisian Pink for an ombre design that I'm going to do a stamp on. So both of these are actually going to do a stamp. This one I'm going to do a solid color, a light pink to match the little flower in the hat. I'm going to put the hat on top, and then I'm making, they're printing right now, 2 different stamps. One that says j'adore and one that says bisous. So I love and kisses in French. And I'm going to stamp those on the bottom after I cut it. So that's going to be the Blushing Bouquet. And then the other one, I'm going to be doing an ombre, and then I made an Eiffel Tower stamp that I'll stamp on that. So those are the 2 designs I'm going to be doing for the other 2 sets. So definitely you can check out the collection from Bramble Berry. The only one I didn't make was the chocolate croissant because I'm just kind of stumped. Nothing came to me. So if something comes to me later on, I'll make a video and do that. This one smells like typical perfume. This one is got definite floral notes to it. And this one is my favorite. It's just, there's fruitiness to it. There's a lightness to it. Definitely my favorite. So yeah, there you have it. So let's go make some soap. So I had 2 hat designs. This hat, and I have one bar that split it, that hat, with the lips. And I thought for sure I had screwed this up, but it's not screwed up. So, like this, when I put this in, the hat just sunk. Like this was still very fluid. And I thought for sure it had just pushed right into the lips, but it kept the spacing and it's actually kind of cute. So I'll take it. There's only a few bars with this simpler hat and lip design. I didn't have quite enough of the hat, this hat, to make it the whole way across in the bar. And that hat is actually, I really like it. I think it's got an elegance to it that kind of works with this collection. So what I'm gonna try and do, I don't know if it will work, but I really hope it does, is, like I mentioned earlier, stamp this. So I created 2 stamps. So we have bisous and j'adore. This is a little thick and there's lots of little holes. I'm not sure how well it's gonna work. I'm gonna try and just stamp it lightly, and I'll dip it in mica. But we'll see. I hope it works, because I think that will add a really fun finishing, elegant touch to it. But otherwise, that's a fun bar. I think I need to give the lips a little bit more just definition maybe. But otherwise, I like it. Okay, so I've tried stamping a couple, and I think it's cute. J'adore. Right? I dipped it in mica. I really want to do a liquid mica infill, but you can see it gets messy. I was trying to clean it up. And it's more time. It's much more time consuming. So I'm just dipping it, but I think it's pretty. I think that has a kind of Parisian feel to it. This is the bisou. So let's try that one and see how that looks. Ooh, I pushed that a little deep. Ooh. Okay, that's cute. I love the bisou with the lips and the hat. That one's adorable. I really, really, really like that one. They have two very different feel the two hats and the two stamps. But my gosh, that's just sassy fun. I love that. Look at that. That's so fun. I like it. Okay, let me stamp the rest of them. And yeah, let me know what you think.